YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how I made my GoPro hand grip out of a cam. I think it looks pretty cool. It's just a little bit heavy, something around 3.5 pounds. And as you can see, I'm recording with the GoPro, so I can't show you how it looks mounted on, but it's pretty much what I did. So I got a LS cam from my boy Greñas at EGP Performance Shop out in Paramount. He had one laying around from an engine he was building. So I picked it up, and as you can see, this was part of this cam. So I cut this piece off. I used the sand disc to clean it up a bit, and then I grabbed this piece that came with the GoPro. It has a double-sided tape, so I mounted it on here. I used a little bit of JB Weld just to secure it on. So I'm gonna show you pretty much how I did it. So this is where I am now. I'm gonna clean it up with the flap disc, and then we're gonna file these pieces down right here. These are pretty sharp. I'm done cleaning it up. As you can see, I got it to where it's pretty flat, just enough so I could stick this plastic piece on up here. So now I'm gonna file it down. We'll file these edges down because they're pretty sharp. Once I'm done filing this down, I'm gonna clean it up with some sandpaper just on the edges, and then I'm gonna degrease it, and it'll be a good idea to shoot it with some clear coat just so it won't rust. Alright, so now that you're done filing down the edges, you should have something like this. Something that's not sharp anymore. And it'll be a good idea to clear coat it. I haven't clear coated this one, but I should. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.